Hello, my name's Andy. Thank you for checking out my Python tuition services. It's great to meet you. I offer Python coaching and tutoring to clients of all levels, whether complete beginners or whether you're working on complex business or academic problems. I recognize that learning Python isn't easy and it requires a level of patience and communication from the instructor. If you're not learning, it's not because you don't have the gift of being able to learn properly. It's because I don't have the gift of being able to tutor you properly. And I really want to be able to help you absorb and learn all of the concepts you need to know. I specialize in all concepts relating to Python across the whole language, but also databases, whether it be relational, document databases, or more modern vector databases used for machine learning. I can also help you apply Python to data analysis situations and simple machine learning. In addition to technical Python services, I'm also a certified career coach and can help you write resumes, approach the interviewing process, and help you to be able to secure a career in the information technology industry. I'm really looking forward to working with you in the coming days so that we can increase your Python skills. Thank you.